Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the HubSpot Copilot AI to help with your work. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my marketing email segment. However, you do have Copilot on all your screens in your dashboard in the top right. Click on it, and here you have the chatbot or the Breeze Copilot, which you can use to actually use the AI. Now you can use this to add reminders, set tasks, or let me just show you an example. Add a reminder for, I don't know, cold call tomorrow at 9 a.m. And once we type that, it should return a task or a response, which will allow us to create the task. As you can see, it is just like so. It has been added into the tasks tab, and then it'll set us a reminder. Now, you can use it like that, or if you're editing text, you can go ahead and use it that way as well. For example, if I go into one of my emails, I'll be able to edit the text. And once you edit the text, as you can see, once I select it, you have this refine button over here. Once you select it, you can rewrite it, expand it, shorten it, change the tone, and do something else. For example, let me just try and shorten it, and it has been shortened, and I'll just click replace. And as you can see, that is basically all you need to do. That is how that AI works, and it can help you with a lot of different things. But in essence, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.